Hello, my dear friend. I am so glad you are here with me again tonight. You are giving yourself a beautiful gift, the gift of time, the gift of rest, the gift of healing words. Tonight, we will talk about something that makes many hearts heavy. It is the habit of comparing yourself with others. We will learn together why this habit hurts us and how we can let it go. Because life is not about comparing, life is about living. Have you ever looked at someone else and thought, they are smarter than me, they are prettier than me, they are richer than me, they are happier than me? When you think like this, you feel small, you feel weak, you feel less. But here's the truth. Comparison is a trap. It steals your joy. It takes away your peace. It blinds you from seeing your own light. Why do we compare? Because we live in a world that shows us many images. On the internet, on social media, on television. We see perfect pictures. We see smiling faces. We see beautiful bodies. We see big houses and shiny cars. And we think, my life is not good enough. But remember, what you see is not always the truth. It is only the surface. Behind every smile is also pain. Behind every perfect photo is also imperfection. Let me tell you a story. 2 seeds were planted in the ground. One seed grew into a tall tree. The other grew into a small flower. The flower looked at the tree and said, "You are so tall. You give shade. You are strong. I am nothing." But the tree answered, "You are not nothing. You give color. You give beauty. You make people smile. We are both important." The flower finally understood. It did not need to be a tree. It was enough being a flower. And you, my friend, are like that flower. You do not need to be anyone else. You just need to be you. Let us take a slow breath together. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now softly say in your heart, "I release comparison. I choose to live my life." Again, inhale. Exhale. I am enough just as I am. When we compare too much, we feel envy. Envy is like poison. It eats our happiness. It makes us bitter. But here's the secret. You can turn envy into inspiration. Instead of saying, "I wish I was them," you can say, "I am happy for them, and I will grow in my own way, in my own time." This is freedom. This is peace. Repeat after me. I stop comparing my life to others. I choose to live my own story. My pace is my pace. My journey is my journey. I am enough today. There was once a young runner. He always looked at the other runners. He wanted to be faster than them. But every time he looked, he lost focus. He stumbled, he fell. One day his coach said, "Stop looking at others. Run in your own lane. Run your own race." The young man tried. He looked straight ahead. He ran with his own strength. And for the first time, he felt joy in running. He realized it was not about winning. It was about enjoying the race. Your life is like that. It is your race, not anyone else's. Right now, think about 3 things you are grateful for today. Maybe your health, maybe your family, maybe a simple meal, maybe the fact that you are alive. When you see your blessings, you stop wishing for another person's life. You begin to love your own. Social media can be fun, but it can also be dangerous. It can make you compare your life with others. It can make you feel small. Remember this. People share the best of their lives online. They share the happy moments, they share the pretty pictures, but they do not always share their tears. They do not always share their pain. So never compare your real life with someone else's online life. Close your eyes. Imagine you are walking on a path. This path is only yours. It is not too fast. It is not too slow. It is just right for you. On the side, you see other people walking their paths. Some are faster, some are slower, some look different from you. But you smile because you know your path is your own, and that is enough. There has never been another person exactly like you. Your laugh is unique. Your smile is unique. Your voice is unique. Your story is unique. Why compare? A flower does not compare with the moon. The moon does not compare with the sun. The sun does not compare with the stars. All shine in their own way, and so do you. Two painters lived in the same town. One painted big, colorful pictures. Everyone loved them. The other painted small, quiet pictures. Not many noticed them. The second painter felt jealous. He wanted to quit. But then one day, a child saw his painting and smiled. The painter realized, I do not need everyone to love my art. If one heart smiles, it is enough. And he kept painting, in his own way, at his own pace. Your life is like that painting. It doesn't need to please everyone. It just needs to be true. Comparison always asks, who is better? Who is higher? Who is more important? But life is not about better. Life is about being real, being kind, being present. When you let go of better than, you find peace. You find joy. Tonight, before you sleep, say these words softly. I release the need to compare. I walk my own path. I honor my own story. I live my own life. Feel the peace in your heart. Feel how light you become. My dear friend, comparison is heavy. It makes you tired. It makes you blind to your own beauty. But when you stop comparing, you can start living. Living your own story, living your own truth, living your own joy. So tonight, as you rest, remember this simple truth. The world does not need another copy. The world needs you, the real you. Stop comparing, start living, and sleep in peace. Good night, my friend.